Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should be growing turnip green. Alright, reason number 1 you should be growing turnip greens. They're easy to grow. You can grow them in the spring or the fall. You can grow them for the turnips or the greens or both. You can pick the greens again and again. So make sure you're succession planting so you got greens all growing season. Number 2, you should be growing turnip greens. They're cold hardy. When they're exposed to cold weather, the flavor improves. They can stand a hard frost. And if you're in an area with mild winters, they can just leave them in the ground. Pick them as you need it. But be sure you pick them all before the ground freezes. Number 3, you should be growing turnip greens. They're surprisingly healthy. They have anti-inflammatory effects. They help fight off harmful bacteria. They aid in controlling blood sugar, help protect your liver, aid in weight loss, and may lower your risk of cancer. So let me break this down for you. 1 cup of cooked turnip contains more than your daily value of vitamin A, C, and K. This one vegetable packs a big punch and one you can grow. There you go. There's 3 reasons why you should be growing turnip greens. It may not be on the superfood list, but it should be on your list of one you can grow. So leave us a comment. Let us know what you're growing in your garden. If you enjoy what we're doing, please like and subscribe. And remember, always, if you grow it, you know it. Thanks for watching.